Amid the hustle, noise, and chaos of Delhi, there exists a place where words fade away and silence begins to speak. This is the Lotus Temple, popularly known as the Kamal Mandir. Established by the followers of the Bahá'í Faith, it is officially recognized as a Bahá'í house of worship. The temple was inaugurated on the 24th of December, 1986, and was designed by the renowned Iranian-Canadian architect Fariborz Sabah. Inspired by the lotus flower, a timeless symbol of purity and knowledge across many cultures, the temple's architecture reflects harmony, balance, and peace. Very few people know that the land on which this magnificent structure stands was donated by a devoted Baha'i believer, Ardishír Rustampúr, who offered his personal property for the greater cause of humanity and world peace. One of the most remarkable features of the Lotus Temple is its openness. There are no idols, no images, and no religious symbols inside, making it a sacred space for people of all religions, castes, and beliefs. The temple's brilliant white marble petals were brought all the way from the mountains of Greece, and it is also among the first religious structures in Delhi to operate using solar energy. Here, no bells are rung and no sermons are delivered, because this is a place meant not to be seen, but to be felt. The Baha'i community believes in the unity of humankind, equality, love, and world peace, teaching that all religions carry the message of the same one God. Standing quietly in the heart of Delhi, the Lotus Temple remains a living symbol of these ideals, a temple not of one faith, but of all humanity. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more such fascinating documentaries.